Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then wait for the pop-ups. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose while using the app, Allow and Allow. Then swipe up and click on Home button. Over here, you need to go into Settings. Then click on Apps section. Now scroll down and choose Default Apps. From here, you need to select Home app and click on iOS Launcher. Then select Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola Edge. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into exactly the same settings and choosing Moto app or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!